have to do this? Hey guys! Welcome to another edition of Fearful Friday, the weekly upload depicting me playing a scary game and generally being a baby about it, purely for your entertainment. So this is Monstrum. I've seen people play this, I've seen Markiplier play this, and it looks just absolutely panic-inducing. I know what two of the, I guess, monsters look like, but don't you worry, because it's still going to be a barrel of fun watching me freak out and be a wimp about this. So I'm just gonna get into this. Most traps can be disabled. Doing so before a chase can be very helpful. Okay, cool. Oh boy. Alright. Well, this is... Okay, I'm gonna... Sorry. Just gonna turn the volume down just a little bit. Just a smidge, you know? I want to make sure I can be heard fairly well. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that is A-okay. So press F. Oh, that's not a locker. Can I close this? Okay, I'm gonna mess with the controls. Interact. We will make that. Let's see. Is there anything that's okay? E is interact, but right click. Throw item is right click. No, I guess it's fine. It'll just be a tad awkward for me. Just gotta make sure I know where my fingers are. Okay. So that's that. Chekhov and Wilson. I think something's gone seriously wrong. I hadn't seen another pair in hours. They went to investigate the engine, but no one's come back. There's definitely a fire. I can smell them burning. There's definitely a fire. I can smell them. Okay, this is just a weird way of wording that. I'm sorry. I don't want to make any noise by banging the door. I heard Fred yelling and then he just cut off. If you wake up and find this, I'm making for the port side balcony to use the life raft. I'm leaving. I know you're sick, but we have to get off this ship. If you arrive in the next hour, I'll be waiting. Ellis. Okay. So, what about this? Oh, hello. There's a fuse. Another note? Okay, no, that's the same note. Anything else here? And I know the object of the game is to find, like, different, I guess, objects to, Oh, it's gonna be bad if something starts chasing me. Hello? What was that? Which way was it going? This way. Because there's some kind of goop down there. I'm not sure if that's gonna hurt me or not. Now, which one is too lean? Uh-oh. That's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. Close the door. Is that my death? Is that gonna kill me? Is that me breathing, or is that one of them outside the door? Alright, I'm gonna chance it. So where was that camera? Oh, okay, it's right there. Is that above me? No, no. Get under the get under the table! Get on the table! Stop hitting! Oh no! Go away! Oh. Oh. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, that is all kinds of nope. I'm sorry? Okay, I think... Is the coast clear? Okay, anything in here? Oh, yes. Turn on the lamp. The lamp helps. No, it doesn't. Anything in here that's useful? Books? Books don't have any use. What are you talking about? There's a timer. But what does that do for me? So there's this fuse. I'm not sure where it goes. Oh, can I lock the door? Hold on. It highlighted. Oh, I can lock the doors. That's helpful. That's real helpful against the big muscular thing. Because I'm sure it can't bust through doors. Let's go this way. Now, this time I'm gonna watch for camera. Ooh. Go up. Go this way. Is that gonna hurt me? Oh, I bet I'd fall through that. So I'm not gonna go that way. I hear footsteps. This is one of those things where I'll probably give it a couple of tries. But I'm not going to devote a ton of time to it. Hello? You know, it's not going to be nearly as long as, say, the, A Wolf in Autumn video was. Alright, anything useful in here? Maybe I can, is there a place I can put a fuse? What's that? There's a lighter. And I don't know what that is.
So now I'm just waiting on Chekhov getting here
No,
before we
no.
can start making our way back up the ship.
Oh, I hope that wasn't too loud. There's gas. Okay. So, just for reference, where exactly am I on the ship right now? Where's that coming from? I just heard footsteps. I just heard the stompy footsteps. So I think the boat is over there. Okay, let's go down there. Wait a minute. Just, you know... What? Why? I wanted you to close the door. Okay, that is weird. It, like, shoots me through the door. Okay. Yeah, better not. Was that the big guy, and did he see me? I don't like that. Okay. So... why is everything so loud? Literally everything you do is insanely loud. Oh. Give me one sec. Okay, I think one of my friends is probably watching this via Steam, so that's gonna be interesting. Sadly, you can't hear me, but don't you worry, Kyle. You'll be able to hear me when I upload this. Okay, I don't know. I think I need something else probably, because I have gasoline, a lighter, a timer. Do I even need the timer? I feel like the egg timer is... oh, the egg timer could be a distraction. So how does that work? Wait, what am I doing? That was probably a bad idea. Okay, that was probably a bad idea to do that exactly then. But oh well. We'll go this way. I don't know what else I need though, because I've got gasoline, I've got a lighter, got a fuse. Oh, maybe the fuse goes in here somewhere. Maybe in here? Nope. That was super loud. Maybe in here? Where does this fuse go? What did that do? Oh, did that turn the lights off? Heck no, turn those back on. I don't want none of that. Okay. Oh, that was close. We're going the other way. We're going another way. I'm not dealing with those stupid cameras. Okay, I just heard those stompy footsteps again. Now, am I gonna be cornered if I leave via these stairs? Is there a camera down there? Okay, that's locked. So basically, I'm just gonna go until... Oh, that's just another door to the bridge. Until I die. Because I don't want this episode to be very long. Where's that camera? It's right there. Alright, so it's not going to, So I need to go the other way, because that camera's not the one that... the kind that moves around. Better not do that. That's pretty noisy. Actually, will I? Well, no, there's no place to... So let's just go down one level. Oh, crap! Did he see me? I don't know if he saw me. What is that noise? Okay, I'm gonna go back down this way. I know I just went in a circle, but... Is he up here? I don't see an orange glowy. Where is he? Can I see him from up here? Okay, I'll risk it. Your model just like floats up in the air for a second. It's funny. Ooh, camera. I hear him, but I don't know where he is. He sounds close. He's right there. He's literally right there. Is he coming up? He's just patrolling that one hallway. Where'd he go? I don't know where he went. I have no idea where he went. Oh, I'm shaking. I'm shaking so much right now. Hope he's not down here, because this is where I'm gonna explore next. That was close. Ah, come on. Can I jump that? Ah, I can't. Let's go in the kitchen. What's going on in here? Okay, I'm gonna close that. What? No! Why does it do that? There we go. Anything in here that's useful? Those are probably just like things that I can throw to distract the monsters. Yeah, let's turn the lights off. No. Absolutely not. Ooh. He sounds kind of close. Oh, man. That was close. Is there a way I can disable the cameras? Is there any way I can disable the cameras? Like I saw, because in that, in the, loading screen. Oh! Where is? He's right there! Go, 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 go! Oh. Okay. Whew. I needed that heart attack. Heart is pounding so hard. Let's see, is there anything? Oops, is that a note? There's a hole in the... Fred, there's a hole in the engine. It looks melted. Inwards, you need to send the rest of the engineering down there. There are noises from further down the shaft. I'll check for fire while waiting for the others. Bring the captain. We might need to mayday. Keep Ellis out of the way now. He's back with you. Couldn't go half a step down here without getting jumpy. Carlson. Okay. Ah, come on. Restore power. There are some fuse boxes scattered about here. Maybe if I find some fuses, I can power them up. Hurry. 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 Can I close it? Yes. What's this? Sub battery. Oh, is that for the submarine? Cool. Cool. Ooh, hello. I don't know what I'm looking at. I have no idea what I'm looking at here. Alright. Yeah, open that door as loudly as you possibly can. Oh, there's a fan. Not my biggest fan. Sorry. That was stupid. Oh, is that him? Can I hide in here? I can't. Ooh, maybe down here. I can. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to walk around a corner and run right into him. Ooh. Oh, that is such a pain. Let's go this way. Probably shouldn't do that. Uh-oh. Crap! No! No! There's nowhere to hide in here. Oh, there's under here. Alright, I'm just gonna wait this out. But there's nothing in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna look around in here. Should be safe. I think I'm looking for duct tape if I wanna. It's occupied. And that camera is trouble. Ha! Juked you out. Okay. I'm gonna lock this. Not that it would do any good. Alright, so what is that effect? That just turns off these lights. Nope. Not at all going to do that. So is there anything in these lockers? Nope. Must you slam things? You are running from these monsters. You're trying to stay quiet. But no, please. Be as loud as possible. Crap. Sounds like it's just down the hallway. Ah! Is that it? Hide. Oh no. I think this is it. There's no way he didn't hear that. Hi there! You're lovely! No, guys! I'm stuck behind the door! Ah! Oh no, I'm trapped! No! Close the door! Close the door now! Ah! Welp, that's that. Alright then. Well, that was Monstrum. Yeah, I mean, that was fun. Yeah, that was really good. I'm glad I played it. I know like there's so much more to do, but once again, like these are just gonna be one-off videos for Fearful Friday, and that's probably how I'm going to do most of these. That might, you know, take multiple tries. I'll go until I die, or if I die really quickly, I'll just like go a couple of attempts. But yeah, that was fun. That was once again the fact that I already knew what these things looked like, or at least two of them, did not in any way, shape, or form reduce the level of panic. So yeah, that was Monstrum. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you later. just want to go home.